I'll just cut to the chase. I met my ex-husband at the gym. You ever know how the words mirage and marriage are so close? They're just off by R, right? But then you get married, everything changes. Oh, God. I should have said I do and hooked up to a Prozac drip right then and there. I take full responsibility. I got irritated quickly. Everything bothered me. Like that breathing every day. Only because he was a mouth breather, though. He was a mouth breather. Who? Okay, you either are one or you're living with one. Where are you? Okay, you know what it's like. I mean, every movie for 10 years was like... People were looking around me going, shut him up. And the mouth breathing would go into the bedroom at night, right? We'd go to bed, and what is it about you men? You guys go to bed so quickly. What do you put yourself in a chokehold or something? We could be obsessing and kvetching and crying. You didn't talk to me at the party. You didn't tell me my dress was pretty. And he's like, wake up and fight with me! Now! I used to keep defibrillator paddles under the bed just to wake him up. But that breathing would turn into this snore. But the first snore was like the warm-up boiling gravy snore. See it? Oatmeal, gravy. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go put a teddy on for you right now. Good Lord. And then that snore would transcend into the sleep apnea snore. Now, if you have it, go to the doctor because it is serious. He never did die, but anyway. No, I'm serious. That's a public service announcement. It's bad for your heart. But anyway, this is how it would go. I would be just about asleep and it would be like... Make a commitment, damn it! Are you living or are you dying? Tick-tock, I'm trying to sleep. I didn't know whether to call the coroner or 911 for 10 long years. He got the surgery after we got divorced. I called him. But you know what I finally made friends with that helped me through this time in my life are those little foam earplugs. Oh, I love them. He would start to snore, and I would roll them up real tight, and I would just cram them right up his nose. Of course, you'd have to call 911, but it was so worth it. How did this happen? I don't know. It was a horrible accident. Fell right down on him.